This video will show you the correct way to set up your Colab notebooks for the Computer Science Python class. So first of all, find the Google Classroom, go to Classwork, find the Google Colab instructions. Open the Mr. B Colab instructions. So the application we'll be using is called Google Colabs. Click on the link and open it. Should open up a red or an orange interface. We're going to click on New Notebook, and that will create a blank notebook. Now we go over to the Google Drive, and it will have created a Colab notebook with the untitled notebook that you just created. So I'm going to go back one level, so I'm looking at the directory name itself. I'm going to go back to the instructions. You only have to do that once. After that, you will be working out of this directory. But I do want you to rename this directory so that I can know whose file I'm dealing with. So I'm going to go back to this Colab Notebooks, right-click and say Rename. And you're going to give it a dash. And the first part of your Google email up to the @ sign. So in my case, that would be BLAKMYL000, and then we don't put in the rest. Click on OK. Next, you need to share that directory with me. Find that directory that we were dealing with. We're going to make sure you're at the root. So just click on Drive. That'll take you to the root. Click on the Colab, right-click, and say Share. You'll have a group, or it'll say Add People. My email address is right here, the instructions. Grab that, copy it, come over here and paste it. Right-click and paste, or Control-V works as well. And then click on Share, and it will share it. I don't think it'll let me share mine with myself, so we're not going to do that. But that is the process. After that, I should have access to your folder, and you need to send me a link. I think it will send me a link as well. So that will give us a notebook to store our files in. Again, these untitled ones, you can get rid of them later. Now, to get the files you need, I have created a file with the files needed, or a directory. Now, it's very important that you do not try to download more than one at a time. Google Drive zips files when you try to download more than one at a time, so we're going to do them individually. I'm just going to right-click on it, say Download. I'm going to put it in my download directory. So it's 40460 mod 01-1.6. Save it. Okay. I'm going to do the same for all of those. Right-click and download. I already have that one in there, so I'm not going to download that one. How about the 1.8? Download. Oh, no, that one is not in there, so I'm going to grab that one. And I'm going to do the same for all of these. Now, to get them into the drive, we go to our Explorer, File Explorer. Go to Downloads. All of those files that I just downloaded are right there. So I'm going to click and drag them into the Google Notebook. Okay, I'm going to pull this over a little bit. Bring that back up. So there's the 1.8. There's the 1.6. There's the 1.7. And I will get the rest later, but do the same process for all of those files.